That's exactly what I'm gonna do. At 8 o'clock, I'm gonna finish this game. Gonna complete this last part, and that'll be it.
Now don't go just charging in there recklessly, kiddo.
That's Pope's killer.
Yeah, well, there might be more.
Hey guys.
It's too risky to try to get to the boat by foot. You'll be spotted for sure. There must be some way to slip in undercover.
Slip in, eh? Gotta get on that boat. What's the hold up? How many times have I heard a voice like that? I have no idea. Can I make it? Nope! Wow. Only a minute and I already crapped myself over. Classic me. Oh! Cause I believe that I can fly. Uh-oh. I almost didn't make that. What do I do? Oh, I got slipping undercover. How do I do that? Oh. Go in here? Alright. Okay. Alright. Oh, yeah.
What the hell is in
Terminator in this.
No idea.
I don't know if this is actually a Terminator. I don't know.
Look, head straight to the deck if that's where you saw this guy. Once you found your killer, get some answers and get out fast. Lots of blue traffic in the area, so get ready for a fight.
Oh! Moving. This is sketchy. Nice and green. My favorite shade of color. This is awkward. La-di-da. We stole. Oh! Car stopped. Can we open it? Oh. Get his gun! Oh! Give me that. Give me that. Give me this. Oh, what is this? Shotgun? Oh! Oh! Anyone else? Anyone else? Dang, that escalated quickly. I just got out the boat, punched the crap out of that dude's head, and I just booked it. I didn't even give a crap. I just shot up everyone in the whole darn place. They don't give a crap. Oh. You wuss. Gently! Oh, my face! Douche! Oh my god. No! Oh god! You messed me up.
Well, what do you want me to do?
I'm sorry.
I could have walked off the darn street.
Oh, I didn't know you automatically picked up. Where is it? That's one. That's another one. Bring it. Huh? What the? What the? Ding ding.
You need to find a way off those car decks, man.
What do you think I'm doing? Squeeze on through. Squeeze on through. Can't make that. We'll see you guys next episode.